Hey there, Stacy here. Welcome to my channel. In this episode of Stacy Links Presents, I'm going to demonstrate this Creaseline kit for you. Plus, I'm going to show you another new product that I've just picked up today that can go along with that. Stick around. Alright, so thanks for sticking around. Now I'm going to show you this here right now, the Eyeshadow Creaseline Kit here. It comes with 6 different tips, and they're just 3 different designs here. Each tip is for one eye, left or right, and I have this one on here right now. The contrasting one is this one. So this would be for this eye, and then this one would be for this eye. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you that, and they just slip on and off like this. Just like that. So I'll go ahead and show you this right away. And the other new product that I wanted to show you today, here is a new eyeshadow palette. It's from Black Radiance. It's the Eye Appeal Shadow Palette. This one is in the Out of the Blue shade. And there are 2 other shades as well. I'm not sure exactly what they're called, but this is the one that I kind of gravitated towards. And especially with this dress here, I really like to use this shade palette for, to complement this type of outfit. So I'm going to go ahead and use this palette with the crease stencil. So before we get started, I want to make sure you go down below and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. If you're new to this channel and want to follow along, show your support for this channel. I still haven't reached 100 subscribers yet, so make sure you go down below and click the subscribe button. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works here now. So when you have it on the handle like this one here is for the right eye. So I will put it over this eye like this, and I'll hold that there. And I will just use a thick eyeshadow brush. I will start with this green to go over top. So that's the first thing you'll do when you have this, is you'll just brush over the top and around in the crease area here. How it created that shape like that, and then you just touch in a few spots. And there. So then you change the tip on it to the other side. And go ahead. And I'll do the other side. Same color, obviously. And like that. So then they really come in handy to be able to draw in those lines. And then I can turn around and fill in my lids and then do whatever design I like. So I'm going to use this blue shade here. And just leave that little gap. That's how you want to do your eyeshadow. Is what I will do next is I will actually fill that in. And this palette has a really nice gold color right here that goes really well with the rest of the palette. That's obviously why it's included. So I'm going to use this brush here like I've used before. Take a little dab of it like that, and I'm going to go right in the crease with that. Just like that. We'll do the other eye. And there we go. So that's how that works there. So then all I have left to do is some eyeliner and some mascara, and I will come back and I will show you how it all looks together. All right, so unfortunately I never made it to 100 subscribers before this episode, so I will not be giving away the Creaseline kit at this time. However, I do plan to look into it again in the future as long as I get to 100 subscribers. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you go down below and click the like button, and make sure you drop a comment for me how you think you would like this Creaseline kit. And make sure to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram at stacy.links, on Facebook at thestacylinks, on Twitter at stacylinks79, and also on TikTok at stacy_links. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.